Thanks for clicking on the video. Here I'll be showing you how to tear down the exhaust system of this bike, remove the silencer packing and replace it with new, and then put it all back together. This is fairly simple to do, and all you need is a few basic tools. One thing I'd like to note, and that you will notice, is that the bike is running very rich and leaving a lot of oil residue. This has been a problem since I bought the bike a few months ago. To fix this issue, I have purchased an aftermarket carburetor jet kit. I won't ride the bike too much until it arrives. In my last video, I drained and replaced the two-stroke oil with a brand that I know works well on this bike and will hopefully complement the new carburetor jet kit. To clear the exhaust manifold of unburnt oil and carbon deposits, I'm using a high temperature heat gun and a small blowtorch. If the inside of the exhaust is in bad condition, lots of smoke and carbon deposits will come out the end of the exhaust. There are other videos on the internet showing you how to do this. In my case, surprisingly, the exhaust was not too bad, so there's not much to show you on this. So after about half an hour of wrestling with the exhaust off camera, I finally managed to find a bar and bolt the exhaust to the bar in order to get the inside of the silencer out. Again, you'll see the exhaust is super oily and the inside of the packing has soaked up unburnt two-stroke oil like a sponge. Here's a quick shot of the exhaust packing that I bought from eBay. You'll see that it's more than enough to do this size of exhaust. I have to tell you that I tried to do a shortcut and leave one end of the exhaust connected to the carbon fiber silencer. This didn't work, and off camera I actually had to drill the other end of the exhaust off to get it on. Coming up is the favourite part of the video for me. It's a recording of the before and after sound of the bike. To be honest, I haven't noticed any performance improvements, but I'm sure that will come once I fix the issues with the carburetor. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new sound of the bike. I have plenty more service and improvement videos to come. I hope you'll join me on the next one.